Hey y'all, okay, I wanted to do another haul, and this one is skincare, and I had found some really expensive skincare when I was cleaning up my guest bedroom, and I had apparently taken the bag and set it down in there, so I'm going to look at that later. But I just got this from Sprouts, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got because, yeah, I like it. All right, so first and foremost, you want to cleanse. And so the line is called Mychelle. It looks like Mychelle, only it's M-Y Shell. And this, of course, refines, cleanses, and invigorates. So before you use any of your skincare, always shake it up real good because it's been sitting and all the good stuff. This has got vitamin A, retinol, orange plant stem cells, and it renews and refines. So you would shake it up real good. And I do like all these the packaging because they're kind of a fat pump, and usually it will be, let's see, massage onto damp skin with warm water and rinse completely. So I would say you probably could use a couple of pumps to start with to see how that goes. All right, so once your skin is nice and clean, the first thing that you want to do is put on your serum. Now you can, some people like to do some hydration first, and so I did get the hydrating. This is a different part of the line. This is the Renew line. This is the Hydrate line within Mychelle. And you can tell because this has got the little kind of pink band and this has got a blue band. But I didn't see the spray that I wanted, and I wanted a hydration. And this is Ultra Hyaluronic Beauty Mist. It's got niacinamide, I can never say that, and plant stem cells. So it's a good hydrator. But the only thing about this is if you hydrate, then you need to spray it on and let it dry thoroughly before you start your beauty regimen. Otherwise, I like to put this on at the end, or sometimes during the day if I just need it to wake me up instead of going and eating or drinking something. I'll hydrate and spray, and that wakes me up. But anyway, so you always start off with clean skin. You can have clean hydrated skin or just plain clean skin with your serum. And it has, this is called the Remarkable Retinol Serum, and it has vitamin A, retinol, orange plant stem cells, and again, you would shake it up real good. It's that same kind of good packaging with the little fat pump, and I would do one to two in the evening after cleansing. In the evening? That's interesting. I would do it in the morning. I wish I'd known that, because I also got Remarkable Retinol Night Cream. Wait 30 minutes before following with your favorite moisturizer, which would be that night cream. Okay. I'm also planning to do this during the day under makeup. I'll have to read up on that. Anyway, the whole point is it helps minimize wrinkles, and retinol helps turn your skin over. It helps turn over skin cells. So it's a skin renewal thing, and that's part of getting new fresh skin is every 6 to I think 8 weeks your skin does it naturally. But this just helps you do it more often. Anyway, so then you do that. And then the next thing, I can't believe that's not a day serum. Never heard of doing serum at night. It's usually under your makeup, y'all, so it's so weird. Alright, so then I chose, where is it? Well, it does have this. I got the Ultra Hyaluronic, and the blue again, hyaluronic acid, seawater, and blue lotus extract. And this is to nourish and hydrate, and this you usually put on right after you put on your serum. So there's that. That's for the face. Shake well. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to face and neck twice daily for best results. Follow with sun protection in the morning. I did not do sun protection. There's mixed views on that as far as getting your vitamin D, that if it is a truly good sunblock, and I think it's a SPF 50, y'all, you're not getting the sun on your face you need. So it's up in the air right now about blocking yourself from skin cancer from getting too much sun, but then you also need vitamin C, not just on your face, but on your whole body. So that's up there. And then these are the 2 eye creams. I put these together. So this is the Remarkable Retinol Eye Cream with the vitamin A, retinol, cloudberry seed oil. And this is the brightening vitamin C eye cream that you put on with that or after that. And it is vitamin C L-ascorbic acid, cucumber fruit extract. This is more to help brighten, so I'm going to use these together. And then, you know, once you have all that on there, you can do a nice hydrating spray. Now, again, I probably would use that at different times of the day. Or I may experiment with doing it right after I cleanse and letting it fully dry before I start the serum regimen. But I did also want to try this, and this is what I was telling you about as far as sun protection. This is Sun Shield, and it's in the yellow, and it has SPF 50, and this is slightly tinted in the light medium. So it has broad spectrum protection, bentonite clay, and safflower, and it's for smoothing and balancing and protection. And when I look at the ingredients, the thing that you will not find in there is your typical blockers. This is, it does not contain oxybenzone, PABA, oxalate, chemical UV absorbers including oxazate, retinol palmate. So those must be things that are in your typical sunblock. So that's why I am going to go ahead and try this. And it'll be interesting to see if this is just a skin tint that it's good enough that I can use it as my makeup, which is a little bit of using my Mineral Fusion concealer in neutral. Because that is what I've shown y'all. I can literally put it on my age spots and just kind of smooth it out from under my eyes. Because I also use it as concealer under my eyes. But then I go around the nose real good just to get the coloring smoothed out real well. And I don't even have to use foundation. So I wonder if this might be good for that as well. So anyway, I just thought I would share that with you. And let me know if you would like, comment below, if you would like me to do a tutorial where I'm actually applying all this from just my face. It's a frightening experience to go from that to this. But let me know if y'all are interested. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!